Alright, picking up, let's see about bending it and putting in the trim on this. So one thing that would be helpful, right now this is all part. This plate is part of that same subtool, so I'd have to move it around, do anything with it. I'd have to keep masking it and doing all that. So it'd be good to be able to split it out to a separate subtool. So I'm going to go to the subtool palette, and if you come down to split, you can see there's a split to part. And if you hold down Control on any button or tool in ZBrush, you see it gives you a little more information about it. So when split to parts is pressed, ZBrush will split all mesh shells to different subtools. So these are all this is a fully separate mesh shell. So I can click on split to parts and say OK, and now you'll see that it's split out to a different piece here. So let's rename it, and we'll just call it plate. And while we're at it, let's rename this one to body. And this might be a good place to do some saving. Let's make this one number 5. And now I can kind of move that thing in a little bit closer, and not have to worry about it dynameshing back to it, or those kinds of things. Speaking of dynamesh, let's also take care of some of these, some of this faceting that's going on in there. You'll notice that let's hide the others. That these are, if I turn on polyframe, you'll see that all that stuff in there is a different polyframe, which is really good, because what we can do is come down to the deformation tab, and if you look at polish by features on there, if you uncheck the little sun on it and run that just a little bit, you'll see it really polishes that up, and it kind of rounds this over a little bit. Really nice way to smooth that stuff up. And then if let's bring back my this one, do the same thing on it. Oh, need to open up the sun on it. It doesn't take much. Yeah, that looks good. Let's see, let's bring both those back. That's really bugging me. Those parts are disappearing. It just started doing that too. Alright, yeah, that's looking good. So let's put some bend in it. So to do that, let's see, I want to get a kind of an idea of where my holes are. Let's go right below those. Mask it. Actually, I think I'm going. Yeah, because of where that opening is, I think I'm going to have to bend through it. I might be able to. Let me try one little quick thing here. Kind of a potentially hacky way to do this. Let's see. Oh yeah, and it's going to move it past the other, but you can see I can try sliding it down, and then I could probably just dynamesh it and it'd be perfect. But yeah, I'd have to do that to the other one too, so let's undo that. I'll just bend it right along the bolt line. It might actually look kind of cool. Let's see, a little bit lower than that. Yeah, that looks good. And then soften it up some just by holding control and clicking on the object a few times. And then let's invert it and let's move our thing kind of to where we want to bend from. Get the rotate tool, bend it around. See how that looks. It's stretching out those holes a little bit, but I think what I can do is run the clipping tool on those and get them back to where they need to be. And then let's do it again right through here through the middle. Oh yeah, and this thing may move it off just in terms of where those, no, it's not too bad, where the openings are on the other part. Okay, so let me get a sense of where so it's about right in there. This time I'm going to hold control and I'm going to switch to my mask curve brush so that I can mask. So let's go back to draw mode. And yeah, I think it's right in there. And let's go from the other direction. And this way I can go kind of perpendicular to, yeah, well, I got lucky. Soften that some, invert it. Oh, yeah, and let's do this up here. Make sure everything's covered, yeah. And now should be able to just reposition my rotate tool. Yeah, let's draw it out because it's kind of long. Reposition it to about right here and bend that back straight. Just kind of eyeballing it. Now let's clear that. Let's see, it's a little bit long down there, so I may want to, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks like I need to move things up just a little bit. Not a big problem. Or I could just kind of make that, oh wait a minute, okay, I'm just seeing kind of I'm seeing that upper edge of it. So yeah, here this might be a place where I can use that kind of hacky method of make sure I've got the move. Hold shift, move that up till it kind of lines up. Yeah, that looks good. Probably should have bent this and then poked the holes in it, but not a problem. And yeah, let's re-dynamesh it. All right, that looks good. Yeah, and then to clean these guys up, well, I think what I'm going to do is just get my Simon. Would you go let them in?
Got it.
It's all right. Folks are arriving. All right, I'll stop this one here since I need to go eat and pick it up in the next one.